Hey friends! If you want clear skin, a solid routine, and that glow up everyone talks about, but you're on a budget, this video is for you. Let's keep it simple, affordable, and real. Let's go! Step 1. Cleanse. First up, cleansing. You need a gentle cleanser, morning and night. No scrubbing, no stripping, just clean. Affordable pick? CeraVe Foaming Cleanser if you have oily skin, or Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser if your skin is dry or sensitive. Pro tip, always wash your hands before you wash your face. Step 2. Treat. Now, treatments, based on what your skin needs. If you've got acne or clogged pores, go for Salicylic Acid. Look for 2%. It unclogs pores and calms breakouts. Try the ordinary Salicylic Acid solution. Dealing with dark spots or acne scars? Niacinamide is your bestie. It brightens and helps with oil control. Try the ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc. If your skin's dry or dull, use hyaluronic acid for hydration. Try Good Molecules Hyaluronic Serum. And remember, don't use everything at once. Pick one, go slow. Step 3. Moisturize. Yes, even oily skin needs moisturizer. It protects your skin barrier and locks in hydration. Affordable options? Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel if you're oily, or CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry skin. Step 4. Sunscreen. This one's non-negotiable, every single day. UV rays cause dark spots, acne scars, and early wrinkles. Basically, no thanks. Try Black Girl Sunscreen, La Roche-Posay Melt-In Milk SPF, or Eucerin Oil Control SPF 50. Glow up tips. Wanna glow up? Do these too. Drink water. Yes, it's cliche, but your skin will thank you. Change your pillowcase every week. Stop touching your face. Sleep, like actually, 7 to 9 hours. And don't forget, confidence plus good skincare equals unstoppable. That's your teen skincare starter pack. Minimal, affordable, effective. Drop your fave product in the comments. Like if this helped, and hit that subscribe button for more real skincare content. Stay glowing. See you in the next one.